At today's video, I want to show you how to trade on Exness doing social trading, guys. So I'm going to show you how social trading works on Exness, so you can start copying other people's trading, even if you don't have time or you are doing all that is. So I'm going to walk you through on the screen right now to show you how Exness social trading works, guys, so that you can start doing, guys. So let's go to screen right now so I can show you right now, guys. This is Exness platform, guys. If you don't know like how I arrive at this, just my account. Like if you sign up on Exness account, you have to, this is my account, guys, and this is where, so you have to come to this place, this place, social trading. You can see that this is already on social trading. So I'm going to like let me put it somewhere like my account. Then you can see that it's have come to my account, guys. So if I bring it to social trading again, you can see it, so it will come to the social trading again. Just come to social trading, and that's where you can find social trading, guys. So you can see that this is currency. You can search by currency, and that is it, guys. You can see, so there's many people to copy here. So like you have to, before you start copying, this is most copied, so you have to check the analysis before you start copying. You can see this person has the 5% and 533%, and the risk is 1. This person is a risk 6. So you have to check the analysis. So let me say that I click the first person right now. Let's say that I click this first person right now and see how is the analysis. So you can see that the analysis is said that is what is maximum drawdown. You can see the maximum drawdown. That's what I'm telling you. Before you start copying, you have to check the person, guys. So if the person is making some profit, guys, you can see that it has a maximum drawdown of 69.06%, guys, and that is 1/10. So and people are following this person. You can see that commission you have made. You can see the leverage you're using. You can see the investors people have investing. You can see the equity of what you have is 9,501.08, guys. So this is what I want you to understand before you start copying about the trade. So you can see that it can show you things about this trader, guys. So you can see that trade with Exness since 2012 from Thailand. So you can see, so this person right now, you can actually go and copy this person, and you can see the symbols, what is trading. You can see trading euro, USD, old card, gold, and this is, and you can see that, you can see what, if it's something that you like, you can follow, you can go ahead and follow these guys. So let's go back and to other stuff and see the another person. You can see, so look at right now, you can see that we are able to view the other. So if you view this person right now, other people's, guys, we can able to see other people's this thing, guys. You can see, so we can actually view this second, this is fourth person, right? So let's see how this first person like look. So his own this thing, you can see that this person has what maximum drawdown of 55.69%, guys. So and that is what you have to understand, guys. So if you want to copy this person right now, you can start copying him, guys. Like if you see this person right now, if you see how it is right now, you can start copying the person, right? So it depends on what you want to copy about the person, guys. So you can see the equity of that person has, it has a 14,269, guys. You can see it, guys. So this is the equity, and the investor is 1,293. So this is what I'm expecting to understand before you start making a decision on whether you will start copying this guy. So if you want to copy him, you will go to click what start copying right now. So you click start copying, and it will start copying automatically, guys. So if you want to view any other thing, any other stuff about this place, like we did the other one, you can see the symbol this guy is trading. He's trading what gold is 100%, BTC USD is 0%, guys. So, and you can normally trade gold. This guy is normally trade what gold, and remaining 7 days, and the trading period started from, you can see. So I just want you to go and check all these things, check the people that you want to invest with, and you want to copy, and if you have like you want to copy any person, then that is be okay. Like you have to go and what start making a decision, check the analysis of the person, and you have to start copying. So you can see like even if you want to see assets, you can see. So this is there is no active. So this is because I have not started. If I want to start people to start copying from me, they can start copying from me also, guys. So you can start your own words copying. People can start copying from you, guys. So right now let's go and search. Like there is many people here, you can start what copy, guys. So if you want to copy, there's many people that you can start what copy, guys. So I hope that you are learning something from this, guys. So like let's show you more. So like this person right now, like this person, you can see new strategies. You can see new strategies. So there's many strategies here. You can view, like if you like, you can go ahead and check it out, guys. So there's many people here and many strategies here that if it's aligned with your own, you can go and check it out. You can see low commission. This is low commission. So if I want to check about people that has low this person is the best return for 3 months. So it depends on the one that you want, category that you want. You can see it's being categorized. This one is best return for a month. You can see it is being what categorized, and this one is a return with moderate risk. So it depends on the category you want. You can go with the category. Let's say now is most copied. So if I want to go for most copy, I can go for most copied. People are copied at most. So if I want to go for return for moderate, return with moderate risk, if I want to make like a return for 3 months, I can go for what return for what 3 months, and check people that trading with 3 months, guys, that I can make a return for 3 months, guys. Hope that you will learn something here, guys. So if I want like new strategies, I can go for what new strategies and do. If I want so you can go and check it out, guys. You can go and check it out and see how all those things work. You can see show all strategy. If I want to show all strategy, I can click here and show what all strategy, guys. So I can click here and show what all strategy, and this all strategy will show, guys. You can see it starts showing me all the strategy that that is here. So if I go up right now, I'm going to see the all strategies that is being on this. You can see. So this is all the strategy that is in what in you can see this is all strategy that is being what Exness, guys. So this is how do you see this thing, like is okay, right? So you have to go and try it on your own and see how it works, guys. See how it works, guys. So that is the thing. So let's say I want to try this person that is a return for a month. So I can go and click what return and start what copying. You can see. So depending on the one that I want to do, I can go and start what like go and check the one that is okay for me and start what copying, and know what amount that the person that is needed, that you needed to be what copying from the person. So if I want to check, like you can see this is for gold, this is for USD. So I can now go and check by currency. If I want to filter by currency, I can go and filter what by currency. So this is so nice. So if I want to filter by this, I want to filter by GBP. See how it's working, guys. So hope you are learning something, guys. So like if you don't have an account on Exness, you can use the link below to register. Guys, let's go back to the screen to show you more on how Exness copy trading works, guys. Exness Social Trading, guys. I can filter by currency. People are trading GBP. You can see them, guys. So this is people that are trading GBP, guys. So there is many things here. So I just want you to go and try like this person right now. Better earning for is also you can see. So he's trading what on the GBP. So this is GBP. So everything is being categorized, is being categorized, and you can go and check it and see how it work for you, the one that work for you guys, and see how the one that is working for you guys, and check it out, guys. So if you like, just go and try it, guys. So I hope you are understanding something here, guys. This is social trading. This is how social trading on the Exness work, guys. So I'm going to, so this is where I'm going to stop, guys. So like this person right now is trading VIP 367. This should be good, right? This is good. So and this risk is 2/10, guys. Risk is 2/10. So you can see you have a maximum drawdown of 21, which is small. So I can, if I want to copy this man, I can start copying this person, and they have equity of 3,505. So this investor is following him is what 564 and 30% commission. So that is it will make you like you start copy. You just once you click start copy, everything will start copying what automatically. You go and sleep and do whatever you want to do, guys. So this is just how the copy trading on what Exness work, guys. So I've explained nothing here, guys. So I hope you understand it, guys. So that is how it works, guys. So that is what social trading is. Social trading and Exness is all about, guys. So I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Guys, you are watching the video on how Exness social trading works, guys. So you can start copying other people's trading, like what I showed you guys. You can do analysis before you start copying people's trading, guys. So you have to do a nice analysis. So you have to do an analysis very well. So social trading, I know that you can lose money, you can make money, guys, on the trading. So trading carries risk. So guys, if you don't have an account on Exness, you can use my link below to register and follow up, guys. So I will like I have a course on this video, guys. You have description, you can check out the course, guys, and start learning how to trade, guys. Again, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and just share this video, guys, and I'll see you, and also give us a thumbs up, guys. So I'll see you in my next video, guys.